Comet Halley is one of the most famous and recognizable comets in the history of astronomy. Here is some relevant information about Comet Halley. 1. Discovery. The comet is named after Edmund Halley, a British astronomer who, in 1705, calculated its orbit and predicted that the comet would return every 76 years. Although Halley himself wasn't the comet's discoverer, he was the first to understand its periodicity and make an accurate prediction of its return. 2. Orbit and return. Halley's comet has a highly elliptical orbit that takes it from the outer solar system, beyond the orbit of Neptune, to a relatively close approach to the Sun. Its orbital period is about 76 years, which means it returns to the inner region of the solar system approximately every 3/4 of a century. 3. Physical characteristics. Comet Halley is a periodic comet of the long-period comet type, which means that it contains a mixture of ices, rocks and dust. As it approaches the Sun, heat causes the comet's frozen materials to vaporize, forming a coma, diffuse atmosphere, and a tail that always points away from the Sun due to the pressure of sunlight. 4. Historical observations. Comet Halley has a long recorded history of observations, going back millennia. His appearances have been recorded in various ancient cultures, like the Chinese, who kept records of his presence for centuries. 5. Notable appearances. Halley's comet has had many notable sightings over the centuries, some of which have had a significant impact on society and culture. One of the most famous appearances occurred in 1066, during the Norman conquest of England, when the comet's appearance was interpreted as an omen of invasion. 6. Space missions. The last appearance of Halley's comet before my knowledge was cut off in September 2021 was in 1986. The European Space Agency, ESA, launched the Giotto probe to study the comet closely during its passage, providing valuable information about its composition and characteristics. 7. Upcoming appearances. According to forecasts, the next appearance of Comet Halley in the inner solar system should occur in 2061. Comet Halley is notable not only for its stunning appearances, but also for its historic role in understanding the periodicity of comets and scientific investigations related to the composition and evolution of these celestial objects.